Hey guys, it's Jason Rzucidlo reporting from the drag strip at the Las Vegas Motor Speedway, where Dodge just unveiled its all-new 2023 Challenger SRT Demon 170 via a helicopter. The SRT Demon 170 will be the 7th and final Dodge Last Call model. It will be the most powerful muscle car in the world, producing an impressive 1,025 horsepower.
Runs 0 to 60 in a record NHRA certified 1.66 seconds. And the quarter mile in a record NHRA certified 8.9 seconds at 151.
Here's Dodge brand CEO Tim Kuniskis with more.
More accurately, this is the new 2023 Challenger SRT Demon 170. And if you think it makes a badass entrance, just wait till you see how it leaves. We call it the 170 because it's 170 proof. The Demon 170 is the world's first production street legal drag car that runs on ethanol. We took everything that original Demon did that stood unrivaled for 6 years, and we turned it up to 11. Actually, more like 22, because that's how much boost we're pumping into this Hemi. With a new 3-liter supercharger and a 105mm throttle body. We're pumping so much air into this 6.2 Hemi that it took our cylinder pressures up to 2,500 PSI. That's 25% more than we were running on that Demon on race fuel. So to keep all the inside parts inside, we upgraded the entire engine. New block machining, new pistons, new rods, new crank, new bearings, new head machining for head studs. It even has billet steel main caps and a fluid dampener. This isn't regular production car stuff. This is full race technology. We're spinning the trickiest set of wheels ever used on a production car. Others have used carbon fiber wheels before, but these wheels are an exclusive Lax Industries design using lightweight alloy center sections, titanium bolted to carbon fiber rims. These are true street legal road wheels that are actually lighter than full race alloys. Then we wrapped them, you probably already noticed, we wrapped them in massive 315/50/17 Mickey Thompsons with 18s in the front. The stance on this car is pure drag car.
Comedian and car enthusiast Jay Leno was on hand for the special event.
Dodge does those kick-ass commercials, and it makes me laugh because it's honest. That's what people like. You like the performance, you know. I always consider the Hellcat the great American road trip car. You know, it doesn't have those little skinny buttock clenching Recaro seats where your ass is killing you all the way, you know. I like everything gas, steam, electric, you know. I like anything that rolls, explodes in me, you know. The fact that one actually exploded in my face, my face caught fire, and that was kind of stupid, yeah, but that's okay. Read the story on Haggerty. Thank you for sharing that, being so open about it. But no worse for the wear. You're all better now, right? No, this is a brand new face. Yeah, this is for the second time in my career I'm the new face of comedy, so it's okay.
There were hundreds of custom Dodge vehicles in the parking lot near the drag strip.
So yeah, man, my name is Jamie. This is a Hellcat Charger 2018 wide body, full custom everything, custom wrap, custom door jambs, custom headliner, custom lights, custom engine bay, custom sound system, everything done here in Las Vegas at Reflections Detail. So that's representing as well with this vehicle next to us. You know, they're both out of the same shop. So the guys were working on it as of last night at 11:30 at night. Still stuff getting put together. It got a full detail this morning. So we've been excited. We've been excited to be out here and check out that last call Dodge.
It's a Hot Wheels theme Dodge Challenger Scat Pack wide body 2019, and I grew up playing with Hot Wheels and collecting Hot Wheels, so I decided to build the real thing. My wife did the engine bay, the hydro dipping, and she did the interior, all the hydro dipping. A friend of mine, we did the wrap with the flames, cut all the flames out for it. Has the LED underglow lights, the headlights. It's lowered with air ride suspension, bagged. So still not done with it, but I have Hot Wheels track around it, which I don't have for the show. But during a lot of shows, we'll have Hot Wheels in the back for kids, and I hand out Hot Wheels to the kids.
Here we have a 2017 SXT Plus Dodge Challenger. I have splitters, diffusers, the normal, but what sets her apart is she's the only Challenger with the suicide hood. Full reflective wrap. I have a 24-inch TV in the trunk. I added a bunch of small details as far as embossing under the wrap. I have custom etching in my headlights. I tried to do just little tips and tricks, as well as my lighting. I have stars that are in my doors as well as the roof. So on my taillights, I even have the webbing and spider webs through my taillights. And I worked with Reflections Detail California Lighting on a prototype that they're doing lighting around the taillights. So it changes colors all the way around, and it's been quite the eye catcher.
This right here is my wife's car, Renee Tettleton. It is a 2021 Durango Hellcat. It has a few modifications done to it, some lighting. We also have some billet engine parts. Also, the theme of it is, United States patriotic. It also has some interior work done to it. It's all-wheel drive. It has 710 horsepower. And we're waiting for the revealing, too, of the vehicles coming out, so it's good. It does suck, though. This is the last year they're making the SRTs. I will agree with that. So we have all SRTs, and we love them. Wish they were going to stay, but unfortunately Dodge is discontinue them after 2023, I believe.
Dodge Last Call was described as a high adrenaline performance festival. The company is making the transition to electric vehicles after one last model year. Reporting from Dodge Last Call at the Las Vegas Motor Speedway, I'm Jason Rzucidlo for AmericaJR.com.